Hello, everyone. Welcome to You Know That Chan. Today, we're going to explore something that gives us life, light, and warmth every single day, the sun. Have you ever wondered, how did the sun form? What is it made of? Why is it so important for life on Earth? And what would happen if it suddenly disappeared? Let's find out. How the sun was born. Around 4.6 billion years ago, a huge cloud of gas and dust in our Milky Way galaxy began to collapse under its own gravity. This cloud started spinning and pulling matter toward its center. As it got denser, it heated up until nuclear fusion began. Atoms started smashing together to release energy. That's when the sun came to life. The leftover gas and dust around the new sun formed planets, including Earth. What is the sun made of? The sun is not a solid object. It's a giant, glowing ball of hot gases, mostly hydrogen, about 74%, and helium, about 24%, with tiny amounts of other elements like carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Deep inside, the sun is like a giant nuclear reactor. Every second, it fuses hydrogen into helium, releasing energy as light and heat. This process happens in the sun's core, the hottest part, around 15 million degrees Celsius. Structure of the sun. The sun has several layers, each with different temperatures and roles. Core, the center, where nuclear fusion happens. Radiative zone. Energy slowly travels outward here. Convective zone. Hot gases rise and cool gases sink, moving energy to the surface. Photosphere. The surface we see, it's around 5,500 degrees Celsius. Chromosphere, a thin layer above the surface that glows red. Corona, the outer atmosphere, seen during solar eclipses. It's hotter than the surface. How big is the sun? The sun is 1.39 million kilometers wide. You could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside it. Its mass makes up 99.8% of the entire solar system. That's how powerful it is. Why the sun is important. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. It gives us light to see and grow food, heat to keep the planet warm, energy for weather and climate, gravity to hold planets in orbit. Even solar energy, which powers our homes, comes from the sun. Solar flares and sunspots. The sun isn't calm. It has sunspots, cooler, darker areas caused by magnetic activity. It also releases solar flares, sudden bursts of energy. Sometimes, the sun sends out solar storms that can affect satellites, radio signals, and even power grids on Earth. How long will the sun last? The sun is about halfway through its life. It will keep shining for another 5 billion years. Eventually, it will grow into a red giant, possibly swallowing nearby planets. After that, it will shrink into a white dwarf, a small, faint star remnant. But don't worry, we still have billions of years. What if the sun disappeared? Let's imagine the sun suddenly vanished. In 8 minutes, Earth would go dark. That's how long sunlight takes to reach us. Temperatures would drop fast, and in a week, the planet would be freezing. Plants would die, followed by animals and humans. The solar system would fall apart, as gravity would be gone. Basically, without the sun, life as we know it would end. Fun facts about the sun. The sun spins, but not evenly. Its equator rotates faster than its poles. It takes about 27 days for one full spin. The sun's gravity even affects comets and asteroids far beyond Pluto. Conclusion: you are sun stuff. Every atom in your body, carbon, oxygen, even the calcium in your bones, was made in stars like the sun. When those stars exploded, they sent elements into space that became you. So remember, you are made of stardust. And the sun? It's the glowing heart of our solar family. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one.